How to use Avant.com dashboard effectively as a new user. First of all, once you log into your Avant account, you will land directly on the dashboard. This is your control center where you can track your loan balance, upcoming payment date, and payment amount. Everything is displayed clearly to help you stay on top of your financial activity. Next, explore the menu or navigation bar. Here you can access sections like Payment History, Documents, Account Settings, and Help Center. Each section is designed to give you full transparency and quick access to the tools you need. Then take advantage of the AutoPay feature if available. Setting up automatic payments ensure you never miss a due date, and it may help avoid late fees. You will usually find this option under the Payments tab. Also check the Document section for your loan agreement, payment statement, and other important records. These are downloadable and helpful for future reference or tax filing. Lastly, make sure your profile details like email, phone number, and linked bank account are always up to date. This ensures smooth communication and avoid any disruption in loan servicing. Now you know how to use Avant.com dashboard effectively as a new user. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.